Hi guys, it's Enchanted Moon. Welcome to my channel. I got something new for you this time. It's not a new person I order from, but it's one of their boxes I don't order. This is SugarMuses Midnight Muses, not the deluxe, just the regular midnight muses. Does that make sense? For men. So it's a smaller box and it's priced at a little bit cheaper than the Midnight Muses Deluxe. But the contents were different, so I wanted to try it. Alright, so May's Magic is... It doesn't say. It says May Magic. So, we will check out what's in the box. We have beautiful art cards as always. This is really pretty. I like this a lot. I like the spell bottles. Very cool. So that's one. Maybe it's the owl. And then we have this guy, the owl. And another pretty book of shadows. These two are really, really like it a lot. So those two things are our first. Then we have a card. Oh, this is a cool deck too. I don't know which one this is. I will find out. This is the back. And this says Overcome Fear. And that's my card. I love the candle. It's very pretty. Candle sconce, I guess you would say. And then this is how it is set up. So we have olive leaf as our herb. Nice size bag of the olive leaf. We have a beautifully tied in a bow sachet with a beautiful, I'm not 100% sure, so I have to untie this beautiful bow. Let's see. All right. Here we go. Maybe bronze and night. It's brown. Swirls in it. We will find out. I can just take a peek. It is. It's tumbled bronzite. Then we have this beautiful color, green beeswax candle. That is really pretty. Look, like a pale green. Really nice. Seafoam green, maybe they call this. Very pretty. And it's a nice big one, beeswax. And then we have this bubbled item here. And in here we have Flight of the Owl Ritual Oil. And it's in this pretty label it has. Flight of the Owl. Very pretty. And then right on top, I'm going to grab it because I can't avoid it anymore. We have this pretty wreath. I'm going to call it Witch's Bells. It's got where you can hang it. Pretty green ribbon around with leaves. We got the bells. We got the pentacle in the middle here. And we got some feathers. Really pretty. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. I love me some witch's bells. Alright. Then we also have tied in a perfect bow. And it smells really good. Incense cones. Oh my god, they smell so nice. And we have two more. Now again, this is the smaller box. Summer Ambrosia Organic Tea. And it's a big bag as well. And it has the throwaway tea bag. And then the last item. Oh, I also found another charm here. I don't know where it fell from. But we have this owl charm. Now, I don't know if it's loose or if it fell off of, it could have fell off of here, maybe. I don't know, but I will find out if this goes on something. And then we have this beautiful color green chamomile blend ritual salt and another pretty label. And look at this. I love this color. I mean, it's so pretty. So this is my first time getting it. Again, May's Midnight Muses, not the deluxe. I'm still getting my deluxe. When that comes in, I will do the video as well. Because I always get the deluxe. SugarMuses and the Midnight. So this I wanted to check out. And because I seen you get a lot of different things than the other one. And it's really pretty. And in this paper we have owls. I don't know if you guys can see the owls. Alright, so we have these are amber incense cones. The chamomile blended ritual salts. It has, there we go in the back. Purification and protection. The salts offer protective properties as well can be used to clear energy around your altar. Purification spells and baths. Flight of the Owl Ritual Oil. It's been crafted with the notes of currants, pear, pepper, oak wood, and a touch of vetiver and sandalwood incense. Contains essential oils and extracts, and it's mixed with almond oil. Like an owl, look at problems and situations at a distance. Take in the whole picture. Maybe there's another way to approach a situation. Listen to what your instincts are telling you. Wisdom often whispers. Dried olive leaf, associated with the goddess Athena, promotes calming energy, balance, wisdom, and good luck. I mean, there's more information. She really gives you a lot of information on each of the items, but I don't want to go into full detail. This is called the Owl Beeswax Candle. After rolling the candle in a few pinches of dried olive leaf, place in a heat-proof candle holder. The owl charm can be later used and added to a spell bag, etc. So she's saying you can roll it in some of the olive leaf, and then you can add this beautiful owl charm that's floating in my box, and I must have put it back in the box. Anyway, you can add it to you can add it to the candle if you want, or you can add it to a spell bag later on. So that is nice. Tumbled bronzite serves as a defender stone to protect you from various negative energies by neutralizing them. This stone is said to have consistent frequency and powerfully eliminates or dispels negative energy, psychic attacks, hexes, curses. So good to know on that. If you've even cursed or hexed, that's the stone to carry. Here is they got new toys. The owl charm you can save for later. This beautiful protection bell wreath. This wreath features tiny black agate gemstones woven around it. Ooh. I see them. Even with my glasses, I'm kind of blind still. I wrapped green leaf ribbon to add a seasonal touch and tucked in some ethnically sourced feathers. The earliest known uses of black agate date back to ancient Egypt, where it was considered a powerful stone with protective qualities. It was used in amulets and talismans and was believed to ward off evil spirits and provide strength and courage. Its grounding properties make it an ideal stone for creating a sense of security and stability, and helps you feel more grounded and connected to Mother Earth. You can use the protection bells, pass them through incense, smoke. Yes. Where you want energy shield and buffers out hectic and chaotic energy, and it's just nicely made. So cool. I love witch spells. Then Summer Ambrosia Organic Tea. Ceremonial. This ceremony connects the spiritual plane with the earth plane and helps to ground and center after energy, magic, or ritual work. And our beautiful card is drawn from, the Talisman Oracle. The Talisman Oracle. I'm going to have to look into this deck. Because this is really, I do love, backwards. The beautiful card. And I love oracles. And of course, these beautiful artworks right here. So, I'll leave you the price of this box in the description below because I don't remember offhand, but I know it's cheaper than the deluxe. This comes with a lot of items. It is a great, great deal. Absolutely. And I'm going to compare this box to the Midnight Deluxe to see what the difference is and what items are different and all that good stuff. So stay tuned, guys. Look forward to May's Midnight Muses and SugarMuses coming your way. Have a blessed night. Thank you for watching.